This is Pixie, my mother's other cat, Pixie. I don't get to video her as often as I would like. She's not the sick one, unfortunately. She's not, well, not unfortunately. I'm glad you're not sick, Pixie. Pixie's not a sick cat like Daisy. They're about the same age. Actually, Pixie's a little older, but she's a little bit healthier and a lot heavier, although Daisy has put on some weight. Okay, well, I was hoping to get you here for more than just a couple of pets, but I'm just glad you're doing okay today. Anyway, everyone, so this is my mom's other cat, Pixie, a model cat. I'm almost positive she used to be a professional model cat. I don't really know, but she's walking away now, so. And she does get annoyed when I pay more attention to my phone than to her, so I'm going to get off the line now, but I did just want to show you all Pixie. That is Pixie, my mom's rescue cat. Anyway, she's walking away now. She was saved from a hoarding situation. Still think she might have been a model cat. Took a really nice picture of her once before she would come anywhere near me, and when I said say cheese, she actually took a pose. And then as soon as she heard the camera shutter go, she ran off. But she has calmed down a lot, and she lets us pet her and pick her up and everything now, so pretty awesome. But anyway, I gotta go take care of a few things. I've just come here. It's the 13th. So anyway, that's it for the cat for now. But just wanted to add that in, so I will talk to you guys another time. Cheers.